Tapos ito tanong ni, Ina Marine Lee Bayan TV, "May nanakawan akong kapitbahay na abogado habang nasa bakasyon siya. Pinagalitan katulong kasi nahuli nila yung magnanakaw kaso pinakawalan. Pinagalitan ng lawyer." Okay. Hindi nila kasi alam yung Miranda rights. Okay. Like what I said po 'no, under Rule 113 Section 5 of the Revised Rules on Criminal Procedure, any peace officer or even a private person may validly arrest a person in the act of committing a crime or who is about to commit a crime or has just committed a crime in his presence. Ang tawag doon, in flagrante delicto arrest. Pwede yan, no? Kahit private person. Now, ah, hindi naman kasi natin may expect na lahat ng tao alam yung Miranda rights. Alam yung nature ng Miranda rights, memorized yung Miranda rights, tapos i-explain pa yung Miranda rights dun sa taong inaresto. So ang gagawin lang, pag private person, pwede, kahit hindi alam ng private person yung Miranda rights, he should still arrest that criminal, no? And then bring him to the nearest police station and then let the police officer explain to him or tell him his Miranda rights. Kasi hindi naman alam ng private person.